My name is Sunday Bada. I am here again to teach you guys how to use index match function. Index match function is a two separate function that perform the work of VLOOKUP function. I have a list of employees with their account number, with their salary amounts. Index match function, we will do it separately what they are doing. Firstly, let's check out the index function. Index function, we first ask you the array. Where is your map? Where do you want me to look for, Mr. Sunday? Now, under the employee name, you just highlight this name under the employee name, comma. The next question, the index function we ask you is row number. Which row do you want me to return? Is it row 1? The name in the row 1, the name in the row 2. Now, let's say return the name in the row 2. Type 2, close the bracket. We don't need the column number now. Enter. It showed me that the name in the column in the row 2 is Bola Bakare. Now, if I want to change this to 1, that the row return the name in the row number 1 for me, it will show Israel Oladujoye, which is in row 1. Now, let's check out the match function. Match. Lookup value. What exactly are you looking for, Mr. Sunday? Let's say I click Israel Oladujoye, I'm looking for, comma. Lookup array. Where is your map? Where do you want me to look for this name? You highlight all the name under the employee, comma again. Press 0, close the brackets, press enter. It's tell me which. Now the match function tell me the row where we can find Israel Oladujoye, which is row 1, which is number 1. Now if I want to change the name, if I pick Kayode that is in row 3, I paste it here. The match function will tell me that the Kayode Michael, his name is under the row 3. That's the work of the index match function. Now we want to combine the two functions together to perform the work of the VLOOKUP function. Firstly, let's validate the employee list so that we can pick their employee. Come to the data here, come to the data validation so that we can have a drop down. Value, click on the list, come to the source, pick all the employee ID, click OK. Now we have the list of the employee ID here. Let's begin to use index match function now to perform the work of VLOOKUP function equal to first thing index. The first question the index will ask us is your array. Where is the map? The map under the employee name, pick all the name here. Make sure you lock it by pressing the F4, press comma. The row number, how many row do you want me to return? Now we don't want the row. Now the row we not use. Instead of using the row, we use the match function. Lookup value. What exactly are you looking for, Mr. Sunday? Now we are looking for the employee ID. That's what we pick here. First drop it here, what you want to look for. Go up so that it will drop under the H2 here. The H2 here, make sure you lock it by pressing F4. Make sure you lock your H2 employee ID so that we don't want it to move at all by pressing F4. Now we have locked it. Press comma again. Lookup array. Where do you want me to look for this employee ID that you are looking up to? Now you can see the employee ID here. I like this one. Press F4 to lock it again. Comma. Give me exactly by pressing 0. Close the bracket again because we use two functions, which is index and match. Press enter. It will give us Bola Bakari. If I change this one to the employee ID, number 1, Israel Oladujoye. Now I have used index match function here. I can copy this one and paste it here. Now we can change this Israel Oladunjoye, double click it so that it will show you. Now we want it to return account number, not employee name. Now you move this thing, make sure your console show the star point like this, the way it's showing, and hold down your left key and bring it to the account number. Drop it there, press enter. It will show me the account. Come to the bank name as well, double click it. It will show the employee name. Make sure that you move it. Your distance show the star plus. Hold down your left key, bring it to the bank name and leave it. Press enter again. Show me UBA. Come to the salary amount again, double click to show the function formula. Now come to the employee ID, hold your left key and move to the salary amount. Now e show us the salary of 45,000 naira. If we come here and pick any employee ID, let's pick employee ID for 458. 458 Kayode Michael with account number 234 000 451, GT Bank 62,500. I think we need to create heading for this our summary. Now I like this space. Hold down the control and shift key and press plus sign. Now tell the shift to shift down. Yes, now I like this space. Let's create heading for this thing. Now we can use concatenate to combine the heading because we can call it the payslip or employee bank details. Let's use concatenate. The first text that we need to combine is the name of the employee. Click this one, comma. We need to create a space for it. A space. Press comma again to give us the test 3. What will be in test 3? We can call it the pay slip. Yes. Pay. You type the pay slip like this and cover the brackets. Press enter. Now we have Kayode Michael pay slip. Let's put it here. Let's bold it. Let's increase the font size. Now, anytime we click on this one, we can increase our heading to 14 or 16 font size. Let's increase it to 16. Now, we can pick any name from here, any employee ID. It will show Benga Ajala, FCMB 88,500. Now, we can even hide this one, the master data. We don't need that one again. Now, we can increase so we can pick any name like this. That is it. Very easy to use. Thank you very much for your listening. Thank you very much. We shall meet again by God's grace. Bye bye.